We guide you through how to fix Apple Pay card not showing in wallet. First thing you need to do is check that your bank or card issuer supports Apple Pay and that your card is eligible to be added. Next, open the wallet app and make sure you are signed in with the correct Apple ID. Then check that your device is updated to the latest iOS version and has a stable internet connection. And after that, restart your device and try adding the card again or remove and re-add any previously linked cards to refresh wallet. And if the card still doesn't show, contact your bank to confirm there are no restrictions or holds on the card. Then, reach out to Apple support to troubleshoot any Apple ID or wallet issues. Follow these steps carefully to get your card appearing properly in Apple Pay wallet. So that's it.